Okay, what's up, everybody? Sorry for the background noise. I do apologize for the computer fans. They're not the best. It's not the best computer possible. So I do apologize for that. Hi, sorry, I had to make a new stream because there was an unknown error with the last stream. So thank you guys for your understanding and patience, monitoring the stream as we speak. So you guys should be able to see the Roblox Studio. Remember, this is my first time doing this, so yeah, I'm done. So you guys should be able to see that. Oh, let me move it to the front. Alrighty, we already got some suggestions. We already have me some suggestions. Keep them coming. So this window is way too big. Sorry guys, I'm trying to put the studio on the screen. I don't know how clear the audio is. There we go. Alright, just gotta fix it. Streaming on a potato PC. Those games take months of planning. So I do have a potato PC, so I do apologize for the stream quality, stream content, potato Wi-Fi, if that's even a thing. So let's go ahead and start. So we got the window going. I just want to make sure we got the stream going. You guys can hear me all good. So sorry, the quality is going to be extremely bad. But you can change it via YouTube. It's because potato PC mixed with potato Wi-Fi mixed with I wouldn't say great streamer, but I'd say pretty good developer. It's gonna have some great code in it, but maybe you might not be able to read it. So I do apologize in advance for any noise. What's up, ZR1? What's up, iRobo Plays, R3, and Sevilla? Thank you guys so much for leaving some comments in the chat. What game will you be making? Well, the thing is, I'm going to be making whatever you guys tell me to make. So we're going to have some simple things going. Obviously, you can't just be like, okay, make Jailbreak. You know what I mean? Okay, make Bloxburg, make Bloodlines, make Islands. You know what I mean? So I'm going to be making some simple stuff. And then you guys are going to be going through the process of what it feels like and how it's like to try and develop. And you're going to see how many times I fail at the exact same time. So make a game where you can unlock elements, fire when you have the sword. Okay, I love that. Thanks for your chat. Really appreciate it. So I'm going to actually get into the studio. Let me set everything up. All right, let me quit some applications on my computer. You know, I've actually never played Tower of Hell or any other Roblox game. The only games I've played is, besides my own, is Bloxburg and Jailbreak, and Retail Tycoon and Lumber Tycoon. Those are the only four I can think of off my head, besides some of my fellow developers' games. But other than that, no, I really cannot think. How's the computer fans in the back? Is that okay? I'm trying to improve the stream quality, but I have like negative Wi-Fi, so the streaming is not going to be the best. This is just all beta right now, or alpha, I should say. I'm trying to save up for a new PC. That's Limitless Gamer, if you go to limitlessgamer.net, they have some great products. It's actually my site where I was trying to raise some money to get a new PC so I can actually do this, like get my own router and get my own setup going. So I would literally stream like 24 hours a day, just doing this and just making games for you guys, like live tutorials instead of actual like other tutorials. Instead of like the pre-recorded ones. So yeah, just keep throwing ideas, guys. Just keep throwing ideas. Open to whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and let's go ahead and get in here. Let me just make sure you guys can see my thing. Okay, the quality is not even that bad. I mean, I'm looking on another device, so it's really not even that bad, to be honest. I mean, okay, yeah, so if you go to the YouTube, the little gear icon, you can change the stream to 720 or 1080. I don't know. It's only 720 for me because I have really bad Wi-Fi. But so here's the thing. So let's go ahead and start coding. And yeah, so I'm going to be viewing your chats. If only I had that dual monitor thing going. Let's see. Okay. Oh, thank you, ZR1. Spider-Man game. Yeah, make unlock boss. I'm reading everything you guys say. So do not worry about that. Like, don't worry. Whatever you guys say, if I don't announce it, just know I can see it. Participants, timestamps. Trying to see if I can. Thank you, ZR1. Thank you. Trying to hit 3K by this month. 3,000 subs. I'm at 2.69, which pretty happy at the 69 part. But I would like to hit the other part. So yeah. So let me see if I can like minimize this real quick. Okay, now I can see the chat and everything. Remember, I'm using a laptop, so. Oh, hold on. Sorry about this, guys. This is my first time. Like, once I get an actual PC, then we'll be all good to go. Make a buyable clothes. Buyable clothes is good. I'm not using any free models. I'm not going to be using any of those. So, recommendations for those will not be executed, I should say. Okay, so let's go ahead and start making a game. It's probably going to be really random that nobody really wants to play. I just started up a base plate, so let's go ahead and just let's go and take a look. I'm not in charge. Like, I cannot build to save my life, so I'm literally on the spot and literally didn't want to do this because I knew I'd be put under pressure. But you gotta do it for the content. Am I right? So, without further ado, we can go ahead and get started. Okay, so for those of you in the wrong, I just got an alert that someone told me that they're in the wrong stream. So what you guys are going to do, if you guys know anybody who's viewing the wrong stream, it's making a game from scratch. That one, using your ideas. A lot of people are in the other one. So, let me just check if... Oh, I think my thing is minimized. Is that why? Is that why the thing just went sideways? Yeah, now it's full screen. Okay. You might remember asking me from Discord when I asked you to make a button that spawns a car. No worries, man. I just got all that figured out. Also, no worries. I'm just here chilling. Yeah, thank you guys so much for supporting. I know there's a lot more bigger streamers right now, but I noticed nobody really streams developing because nobody wants to show people the process of them struggling to actually do stuff. So I'm going to expose myself a little bit and just show you the struggles of actually developing a game. It's not always just, oh, I know how to do it. I don't think anybody's known how to actually do it without messing up. So I'm going to show you unintentionally how to make mistakes, I guess. And what the final product will be. So depending on how much time I have today and how many viewers we get, we'll be good to go. So let's go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and start by... wow, my head just went blank. So let's go ahead and let's make a leaderboard. So you'll notice that I pause from time to time because I need to reference some old stuff. None of the preparation. I just need to reference the docs and stuff. So we'll go ahead and call this leader. We'll go ahead and call this leader stats. All right. Wow, I'm really excited. I'm really excited. I'm really excited. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll say we'll mix it up. I'm not gonna do my typical. We'll say on player entered. And we'll say PLR. Alrighty, alright. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. And we'll say local leader stats. Wrong stream. Sorry about that, guys. I just got a notification that people are still in the other stream, the stream I had prior to this. Let me go ahead and tell them that there's a new one. Alright, I just made an announcement. Once again, I'm terribly sorry for the interruptions, and especially, but you know, being a developer, what you have to do is just have to do it. You can't just code constantly. Let me go and pull up that output. You can't just code constantly. You know, in my last video, I didn't have the properties tab for underneath the Explorer, but now I do. So yeah, so without further ado, I'm sorry about that. Let's go ahead and get into it again. So we just gotta make our leaderboard. You already know I've done this so many times. I'm actually doing it a different way. Feel free to follow along. It's not like I'm gonna be like, oh my god, he's copying me. I don't care. I actually encourage you to follow along. And we're gonna say, yeah, my computer like really gets, you know, when I'm streaming. And we're going to name this leader stats. Okay, so just so you guys can see, you know what I mean? So what should I call? I'm going to ask you guys. Yeah, I moved it. Okay. So what should I call the leader stat? Handcuff system, hybrid strap. I already have a handcuff system. It's located on my channel. Oh, what should I call this leader stat? I'm thinking about local stat equals... well, let me set it up first. We'll say instant not new, int value. Thank you for calling me underrated YouTuber. It's a huge compliment. Then we'll go ahead and put the stat name is blank right now. We'll say stat.value equals 0. We can make like a little simulation game, like with strength and stuff. Or we can make like a driving game, like a little like make money for driving around. Child added, and then we'll go ahead and say connect. Let's say on player entered. Nice it. So, oh my goodness. Okay, nice. So let's go ahead and give the stat a name. Let me see. What if you made a dark RP game? If you want to go ahead and elaborate what a dark RP game is, that'd be awesome. So what should I call this leader stat right now? The leader stat is going to be like that thing, like score, money. Oh, what type of thing are we thinking today? Thank you for 10 viewers. I feel like simulators are way too common. Yes, I know that Alvinbox did make a simulator. I did try and follow along. I just, no offense, I just couldn't get into that. Sorry, I really just could not. But, yeah. Awesome vanilla spells. I mean, great participating in the chat, guys. So, let's go ahead and, let's just call it money. Because, I mean, cash is king, you know what I mean? We'll call it money for now. We'll go ahead and test. So there's going to be a lot of times when I just press test and it's not going to work. I'm letting you guys know that right now. This is the back end. This is behind the scenes of being an actual developer. and just trying out code from the first time. So, see, no leaderboard. I did it wrong because you know why? You know why? Because I did it wrong. Because I did it a different way. You know what I mean? Obviously, I know what I'm doing, so obviously, you know what I mean? So, I just have to, this is exactly what we're talking about. So, I mean, you know what I mean? So, you just have to do like, let me say something. Let me just check it out. Oh, damn it. There. Let's try that out now. I know you guys are going to be like, bro, why does he keep messing up? Rename it to kills. Okay. It's just that, you know, we can make it like a FPS thing or like some people with AI. Something like that. Still no leaderboard. You see how I keep messing up? You know what I mean? Like, hold on. My computer's bugging. Like, do you guys see how I keep messing up? Because that's just what you guys are going to have to do when you guys are developing. That's what I mean. It's like, that's just what's going to keep happening is you guys are just going to keep messing up and messing up and messing up. Yeah. So, I'm debating, honestly. Not debaby. I'm debating on what I should do. I like your idea. I like your idea with points and kills. I really do like that. I'm thinking of doing something with, let's see. Not sure, though. I'm thinking of doing that. Let's do something. So I have some code that I actually had earlier. I'm going to go ahead and paste that and do it the right way. Boom, 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 connect, leaderboard setup. So I just call the leaderboard setup, call it gold, whatever. Let's go ahead and do it kills. Actually, let's do points. We can make like a capture the flag type of game. And then you guys can actually play it with me when I'm done. I'll do it the right way. And points. Remember, if you guys are coding leaderboard and stuff like that, you don't really need to do that. So, oh, it's because I'm in a folder. It's because I made leaderboard an int value. That's why I'm retarded. I mean, sorry, I shouldn't say that, but I'm not the brightest kid or person, I should say. Dark RP is a game when usually a player built economy. It is a role play that you can do as much more, and you can sell guns as a gun dealer, print money as a criminal. You can see none of it is pay to win, and everything is built off users buying and selling. You know, dark RPs are like, that's been my dream to make. I really am a fan of dark RPs. It's just actually we can make a dark RP. I mean, what does everybody else think? Whatever you guys think, we shall make. I mean, it's all up to you guys. So yeah, just keep letting me know in the comments. So what we'll do is we'll create some teams. If it seems like I don't know what I'm doing, you know, half the time I really don't. No, I'm just kidding. I mean, no, I'm not just kidding, but like half the time I really don't know what I'm doing. So let's go ahead and find a. Now you guys are probably like, what the heck? How is this guy? How do I even watch this guy? Like, he doesn't even know what's actually going on. I'm not gonna lie, Alvin Blocks, YouTubers, Ripperoni, me, whomever I'm missing, all the big devs, they go through the same thing. It's literally hours of just messing up and not knowing what the hell's going on. So, team. Let's go ahead and make some teams. And actually, I want to call this money now. I'm going to leave it as points. Let's call it cash, right? Cash is king, right? So, we'll call this team criminals. With a capital C. We'll call it criminals. And what we'll do is we'll go ahead and insert another team. You guessed it, it's going to be police. And then we'll just have, like, another team. We'll have it called, like, civilians or something. Alright, let's check the chat. Sure, add really good working guns. So, like, one thing you can do is coins and another just kills. Yes, that is true. We can do something like that. I'm going to add a secondary leaderboard value in a little bit once I get more of a basic generic idea of what I want the game to be. So, what I want to do, and remember, I'm staying away from free models, so I can't just code a game in one, code a gun in one stream, you know what I mean? So, for the criminal's color, So when you're setting up a game, just do really red. The police we're gonna have as really blue. Auto assignable, we're gonna take these off for now. Civilian's gonna be auto assignable. We'll leave them as white. So we have the red, white, and blues. And then I think we'll just leave that. I mean, what else do you guys think right now? Not many dark wraps exist. Only very few, such as Anomic, my personal favorite, and Blocks RP. These ones I can call off the top of my head. I really love self-made economies. I think that's just such really good. If I'm talking really quiet or you can't really hear me, or if I'm talking too loud, go and let me know. There's very few that gives very good opportunity to shine with dark RP. You know, I used to have a dark RP game, but it really died. Hey, Jim Quebec. Mind explaining why you copied Captain's Fuel script code word by word and called it yours? Well, here's the thing. I will explain it later as well if you do want another explanation. But the thing is, though, I have actually worked directly with him, and that's why we needed to announce a fuel system together, and I have the content. So I I wouldn't say copied, I'd say worked together, I'd say. So I'm actually going to look up another way of doing a dark RP. I'd say the structure for a dark RP is very immense as well. Because, I mean, you have to take into account what you need. If you ever need a reference to a game you're making, Anomic is a great reference. Okay, yeah, I mean, if you want to keep describing stuff to me, that'd be awesome. That would be awesome. No problem, no problem. All the other viewers on the channel, if you guys are here, just go ahead and pitch in something you'd like to see, something you would like to see me do. Vanilla is actually killing it right now. So, I'm going to go ahead. I have my teams here, right? So if I play, right, you already know. I'm not going to waste no CPU doing that. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and do spawn. And then we'll do a spawn location for the... we'll go ahead and create a folder, actually. Because I like to keep everything organized. Remember, even if I do end the stream, I'll carry back on where I did. Say player spawns. And then I'm not going to like have a whole map and everything. We'll do this one as the criminals spawn. Remember, the name does not even need to match it. I just like to do that. Since these are all defaults, we'll go ahead and just do that. We'll say civilian, and then we'll say police. And I'm also going to be putting a lot of personal code in here. What that means is like code I don't normally put out because I use it for personal games. By watching this, you'll be able to see how I do it. Oh, we got some more. Buyable clothes. I would like to see a gun that jams randomly. That jam randomly would be easy to do. It's just I need the code part where you would just set a math.random up and then you would jam it by disabling the I'd say disabling the script or disabling the void that executes it. If you want, I can make you a prisoner jumpsuit. You can upload it and use it for your game. Yeah, why don't we do this? Why don't we make this a community game? So everybody can pitch in, do whatever they want, you know. Everybody's already pitching in ideas, so that'd be awesome. So yeah, I have my spawns here. I do apologize for the lack of stream quality, background noise. So I'm going to go ahead and make these spawns transparent when we actually do release the game. But remember, I'm not intending for this to be like a front page game. Like, I'm literally just doing this so you guys can see how to make it. The spawn color, I don't care. Civilian, this is going to be white. Not lily white, it's going to be pure white. Where's the white at? It's like on YouTube, if I was making this, like, I would cut all this out. Like, I would cut, like, me trying to find the color white. Like, I still... Okay, I'm like... Institutional white? White. Okay, first try, got it. First try, we got it. It's all good. Oh, thanks, Stefan. Really appreciate it. What if you have a jamming system where if you dequip it when reloading, it'll jam when you pull it out? Ah, that is really smart. How you would go about doing that, if in case I don't do that during the stream, how you would go about doing that, as I like to give people suggestions on how they would do it, and they can figure it out, because that, to me, is when you figure it out yourself, it's pretty much the best feeling in the world. How would you go by it? How you would go about doing that is while reloading, while you're in your function called reloading, what you would do is while reloading equals true, set up a bool, and while reloading equals true, if you check if the tool is de-equipped. I know Roblox you can do that. Check if tool de-equipped, and then what you would do is you would save that data, that value. You would check yes, it was put away while reloading. When you take it out again in your function, in your start function, you would have if put away when reloading equals true, then execute jam, and then just do your jam function. That's basically how I would do it. Thank you for Stefan. Thank you, Stefan Matthew, for telling me that I deserve a sub. Really do appreciate that. It does mean a lot to me. So without further ado, I'm just gonna get back into it. So, excuse me. If you guys have any vehicles or anything you would like in mind, go ahead. The only thing I feel comfortable with is using an A chassis. Other than that, I don't trust any of the free models. So we have the civilian spawn set up. Then what we're going to do is we're going to have the police set up. So I got that one right. And then we got the criminals. Let's go ahead and do me a favor. Let's go ahead and put the... okay. Let's go ahead and put the criminals on the side. Let's put the police on the side. And let's put the civilians. I'm going to go ahead and just... whatever. It doesn't have to be the same. As you guys know. We'll have police, just so I can literally just tell what is what. Okay, so this is just simple basic stuff. Red, whatever, it doesn't have to match, alright? Okay, so once we do that, then what we'll do is we'll have some basic functionalities going. So we already know we're going to spawn here. We already know that. You know how we know? Because the team's auto-assignable. And what we're going to do is we're going to select these two. And we're going to turn off neutral. Okay, so that way we can, if I play this like 10 million times, I will always spawn on civilian, because even if it can't properly select a team, I will always be neutral at the white spawn. So then what we'll do is we'll have, I'm thinking, what else do you guys want? Car dealers that can sell basic cars, the usual, but they don't get it for free. It's like they'll have a team shop where only the team can buy the cars, okay? So let's go ahead and start by making some team change GUIs then. And what we'll do is we'll do a little jailbreak style. I like that. We'll do a little jailbreak style, okay? So what we'll do is, do you guys want to make, okay, let me ask you guys something. This is a little question for the whole stream. Do you guys want to make like a little jailbreak thing where you start off as a criminal? You want to start off as a criminal, and then when you pass a certain point, then you change to a civilian. You escape from jail. I can do a team change UI for that. I mean, whatever you guys want to do. Just tell me your responses in the chat. What do you guys? I'm thinking of jailbreak style. Jailbreak style dark RP type of thing. You know, I've always wanted to see a jailbreak style dark RP game. I think if jailbreak like had money, like that was a proper economy, where you actually like had to pay for stuff, I think that would be really cool too. And if you guys are tired of hearing my computer fans, I'm really sorry. Please make a purchase on Limitless Gamer. It's my website where I'm trying to get a start as a civ. Okay, vanilla. All right. So a lot of people. Let me see my other chat. Jailbreak style. Okay, not too much game doing that. Maybe start off a normal person. Okay, you do jailbreak. You know, we got two people saying do civilian. We got two people saying jailbreak. I honestly I want to go with the jailbreak because I think it'd be easier. We have 3 people saying jailbreak. I'll teach you guys both. I'm going to do jailbreak style in this instance, and then you just have to modify something to make it, all you really have to do is just turn, you get it. Okay, so let's go ahead and start by making the jailbreak GUI real quick. I'm going to go ahead and hurry up and make that, because I'm not, like, releasing this game. So we'll call this the opening UI. And then what we'll do is we'll make a... you guys are forcing me to get creative. I'm really not creative at all. So, it's like God put me on survival mode. I just took away the creative option. Actually, adventure mode. Damn. If you guys are Minecraft fans, I think adventure mode's only like what, like one life, right? I honestly, I don't know. So then we'll just have a frame. I'm not gonna. So usually, if I was like making a game, what I would do is like I would like name everything. Actually, I am making a game. What else am I doing? Okay, so like making games is like literally just watch the channel and you'll learn. You could literally just watch it. You don't even have to like. You literally just watch the whole video and you'll. We'll call this the police. So what we'll do is we'll have some text in here, and we'll go ahead and call this the police. That's font, not text. We'll call this the police. Press enter, and then we'll go ahead and make that a text scaled. So, oh my god, that looks so bad. Remember the UIs? I'm not even trying. Just literally, I actually got a D in my art class for school. Don't tell my parents. I'm not gonna speak Spanish. Don't tell my parents that I got a D in because yeah, you don't actually make videos when I'm doing my. Oh my god, I'm having that glitch again. My studio just automatically randomly selects and starts typing. It's really weird. But it's happened like ever since I started. We'll say criminal. Oh, criminal. Okay. This is literally like a knockoff already. Yo, dude, can you make a game? Omji, hi, I'm a big fan. Thank you guys so much for the new comments. Thanks, Shay. Rishraf, you're such an inspiration. I'm your biggest fan. Thanks, man. I really appreciate you. Really appreciate you, Shay. You're always supporting me, man. Highly appreciate you. We had 13 viewers. Add a UI corner to the UIs. Yes, I'm not even like making anything like specific, Sevilla. I'm literally just making whatever. I'm literally making a knockoff right now. So I mean, like, if you guys are following along, you guys are welcome to, whatever, you know what I mean? Thank you guys so much for the comments. We got 13 viewers. So knockoff jailbreak in the making. So what I would like to do is call this the selection frame, and then what we'll do is we'll go ahead and insert a local script. So I'm not going to be doing your basic YouTuber stuff where it's like that. My studio has a glitch, so it literally forces me to shift lock all the time. Yeah, I feel you, man. Team create. Yes, so I'm going to start including other users as we start going, what they can contribute. One day, so what I was thinking was if we can get to like, once I actually get a good PC and it can handle team create, because this can't really handle that team create and multiple editors at the same time. That's the only reason why I haven't done that yet, is because once I get an actual PC, and that will be determined by you guys. If you guys go and make a purchase on limitlessgamer.com, I mean .net, not .com, sorry, limitlessgamer.net, that would be really appreciative. I really appreciate you guys. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to create a new place once I get more viewers and once I get a PC that can handle team create, is I'm going to team create everybody in the chat, and we're all going to make a game together. And people could just make whatever random stuff and see how it actually turns out. So, yes. So, read to you, Tranks John. And thank you guys so much for 14 viewers. So, let's go ahead and continue. Turn off the output so you guys can actually see the code. Not sure how the stream quality is looking right now. So, this local script, we're going to go ahead and call, actually, let's go ahead and put replicated storage. So when you're making a game, I normally don't do this, but you're supposed to just make folders for everything. That's literally just events. Go ahead and call this functions. Actually, no. Go ahead, folders. I don't know why I'm teaching you guys like I don't know if you guys are following along or not, but you guys aren't. Contribute poorly made FE gun kit VM guns. No worries. You guys don't have to worry about any what's it called? You guys don't have to worry about any contributions. I'm making everything, so don't worry about it, guys. I'll team create you guys in a new place when I get a new PC, so that I can handle all the team creation people in it. So that way we can make something epic games, if you know what I mean. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the events. I'm going to try and make a remote event, and we're going to call it change team. Should I do lower camel? No, that's only for variables. Okay, change team, and make sure you're... Okay, I don't know if the stream's hecka bad. Let me know how my mic volume's doing. I don't know how to code, but I'm pretty good at 3D modeling. That's awesome. Yeah, as long as you can do three things, or one of the three things, UI design, UI design or UX design, laptop or a pic? If so, the price and model. Can you make a model of the map when it's done? I actually like I don't know if you got here after. I don't know if I'm gonna make a map. I'm literally just doing an empty base plate. I might just make a few things here and there. I'm literally making a knockoff jailbreak right now. So thank you guys so much for participating in the chat and viewing it. So we're gonna go ahead and we have that event there. Let's say script. First of all, what we're gonna do is we're gonna say local change team event, and we'll say equals script. We're gonna say game dot replicated. We're gonna say replicated storage. I know. I'm doing it like really bad. We say events because this is not how I normally would code in a tutorial. We'll say wait for child, change for team, done. So we have that, and then what we'll do as well is we'll just make it two different functions. So we'll say script dot parent dot selection frame dot. You know, guys, it's like I get so caught up with the chat, and it's like I don't even read. So we'll say police button. You have to name the buttons. You guys can follow along too. I'm not even gonna cap. So, and then we'll go back. We'll say police button. So this is gonna be for police button. Say when they click it, connect function, and then we'll get the player who clicks it. Oh my god. Okay, there. And then we'll do the exact same thing. I'll write it out so you guys can see what I'm doing. Notice how when I'm doing everything, it's like auto completing. Have you guys noticed that? Like it's writing the code for me. Like I'm literally all I'm doing is literally just making a few changes and then pressing enter like every other second. Besides physical properties, like I don't understand why they would put physical properties after a parenthesis when they know I'm just trying to close it off with an end. Like I just, it's like there's a studio update. Like, I'm not mad. I'm just saying, like, there's a studio update every day, and it's like, they can't fix stuff like that. I noticed they did change the colors up. I do have a Discord server. You can find it in one of my most recent videos. There is a link there. Mouse button one-click function, but it bans you when you have the function is activated. But it bans when the function is activated. I don't know what you mean by that. So why don't you go ahead and just elaborate just a little bit more? Yeah, so this is basically, this isn't even how to script, it's just how to make a game. I'm literally just making a game right now, so literally from scratch. So what we're going to do is we're going to say change team event, and we'll say fire, let's see, I'm not going to look at the docs here. We'll say, oh, that's what we need to do. We'll go to the server script storage. We need another script. So what we're going to do, before you guys are like, what is he even doing right now? What we're going to do, when we click this button, we're going to send the event to the server script service, and then we'll change teams officially, filtering enabled through the whole thing. So what we're going to do is team changer right there. So in this script, so you guys need to know this is a local script, this is a regular script. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this, and we'll say change team event on server. Okay, so I'm really not good at on server event. I literally don't have all this stuff memorized. On server event. If you guys notice I'm doing something wrong, please tell me so like I don't mess up. We'll say, so we'll have player, then we'll have team. Oh, why does it? I literally cannot with Studio sometimes. You know what I mean? And I'll say plr dot. I'll say plr dot. I think it's. Let me just see real quick. Let me go and look at the chat. But it bans. Okay, so do you have a Discord server? It bans you when you click the start game button. It's a mega mind move. Yeah, but then like, how are they gonna play it? That's the only thing. You know what I mean? Like, yeah. But I know what you mean though. Like, I do know what you mean. So yeah. So then what we'll do is we'll do. I'll say teams. What we'll do is we'll say local teams. We'll go in here and we'll say local teams equals get service teams. So we need to get all the teams. So then we'll do if find first child team name. So what we'll do is, I'm just planning it out. If teams, find first child team name. Yes, well, that's what we'll do. So if, say if teams, nope, we'll say teams. Oh, damn it. If teams find first child, say team. If we can find the team name, then what we'll do is we'll say then plr.team, oh man, .team equals say teams like Unity or Roblox is a game engine. There is no game. Oh. It is a game creation engine. I mean, in short, yeah. Yeah, feel free to just talk it up with me in chat. You know, you're not distracting me or anything. Like, you're literally just talking it up. You know what I mean? Alrighty, so this is just the basic, literally 8 lines of code can change a team right here. And then what we'll do is we'll say fire server, oops, sorry for that. Say fire server, and we'll say police. I just need to make sure. Oh, police. If you guys don't know, if you guys don't actually know, I do have games on the iOS store, App Store, and the Google Play Store. Not that many on Google Play. I have like 2 on Google Play. So criminals, just want to make sure. Okay, let's go and test this out. No, actually, let's wait a second. And we'll do reset on death. We'll do reset on spawn. Like when we die, we'll have an option. And then what we'll do is we'll change. I want to create a destroy event, so not right now though. So script out parent dot enable equals false. No. We will go to team changer, and we'll say plr. Oh, sorry. plr find first. No. Wait. Yeah. First. No. Say it, player GUI. This is literally just how it is being a dev all the time. Find first child, and we'll say opening UI dot enabled equals false. That way we can do it via server side. Doing everything server side is so much better. Okay, before I actually do anything else, I'm gonna like save it. I gotta save it. Okay. Notice how I want civilians. I can pick criminals. Boom. Notice how it didn't kill me because I didn't want it to kill me. Because, like, why would it kill me? Notice that? Okay. First of all, before I do anything else, let me go and publish this. Create new. And we'll do something like stream game. Yeah. Okay, so that's on my profile if you guys want to go check that out. I don't know if it's like open or whatever. So yeah, and then we'll go to criminal and that stuff like that. So then what we'll do is we'll have like a little, and then we'll say in-game UI right here. We'll create a screen UI. If you guys have no idea what the heck I'm doing, please go and type in the chat. You don't have to be like subscribed or anything. Like go and type in the chat. Oh, bro, we're having tacos for dinner. You guys did not need to know that. But I am having tacos for dinner. Like, if you guys like tacos, shouldn't it kill you? You know what? You know what, Vanilla? Damn, Vanilla, you're actually right. I didn't even think of that. So you know what we'll do? Say, workspace, find first child, plr.name. I'm literally just half doing it right now. We'll say find first. This is probably not going to work. We'll say humanoid dot health equals 0. Most likely not going to work, but let's try it out. Banana, tacos, WW, taco, tacos, banana, taco. Alright, let's go and check it out. I have not even had my output on. Studio crashes, you already know why. Okay, no errors. Let's go in police. Let's go. Spawn me at police. Spawn me at police, please. Yo, what? Yo, hold up. Literally, this is... Oh, actually, then let me take off the reset on spawn for the UI. Because now that Vanilla just suggested that we should die. You know what? Nah, it's too advanced. I mean, it's not advanced. It's just too, like, time-consuming. You can spawn players at the spawn without, like, actually having to kill them. Unfunny minion meme. LOL. You really can. But, I mean, I don't know if I want to do that right now. But what we'll do is... Yeah, so we have a little problem. So we're not spawning at the correct spawn. So that's a little problem. So what we'll do is we'll go into the spawns here. And we will go to archivable is neutral, allow team change, really blue. So I want this at like 1. I want this at like 1. I want this at like 1. Okay, so the problem is that some team colors are just not being set right. And you know why they're not being set right? Never mind. I already did that. So now this is like our first actual big problem. Just link spawns with the properties. Agent, do you want to go ahead and, how can I say this? You want to go ahead and, like, elaborate more on that? Give me 1 second, guys. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, I had to shut the Wi-Fi off on the other devices because in hopes to improve the quality. But like I was saying, oh my god, my studio's glitching. So, like it's amazing how like I can do car spawning dealerships, all this, but like I sometimes just forget the basics. Click on a team, set the team color. You want to know something, agent? You want to know something? All right, look, agent. Look, agent. I'm going to go to criminals, right? The team color's really red. I'm going to go to the criminals, right? We can look at the team color right here. You see how it's not really red, you know what I mean? You see what I mean? Like, you see how that did not work? Okay, but, like, this team color is really blue. Let's just see. Really blue. You know what? Okay. Correcting me. Alright, bro. I see you. If anybody's, like, a female, like, let me know so I don't, like, call you bro. You know what I mean? I mean, unless you're cool with that. I don't care. But, like, I don't want to, like, you know what I mean? We live in a society. Hey, it must have been a ghost then. Okay, let's see if it works now. Like, if it doesn't work now, like, I don't even know what to tell you. Dude, honestly, we had it first try. Like, I'm not even gonna cap. Like, we had it first try, right? Okay, I'm just gonna say we had it first try. Okay, I just want to test the police because I don't know if that one works. And let's find some police clothing. What we'll do next is we'll change the clothing of the player. We can go do that. Okay, if I don't spawn at police, like, there's nothing I can do. Okay, you see, you guys just saw it. Like, I think it's, like, actually, like, a bug or something. I don't know, but, like, let me change. Check. Everything's good. Yes, we, like, spawn. Like, I know we do. Alright, you guys can look. Team color's really blue. And then the actual spawn for the police is really blue. That's brick color right here, really blue. You know, it's just really weird. You know what I mean? Is that the same color? Yeah, I did. That's the thing. Find those Mano County groups and just use the thing from there. Honestly, excuse me, I don't really care about the spawning right now. Like, I can literally, I don't want to use Roblox's built-in kill spawning That's trash anyways. I'm not gonna lie, like I just don't like that anyways. Let me turn off. Let me enable this UI. Let me turn it off. Okay, so that's that. Let's do the civilian vehicles now. I mean, not civilian vehicles. Let's do the team changer. Let's go into the team changer, and I'm gonna go and oh my god, my screen's so bright. That's the wrong thing. I meant clothing. Want me to do it, for example, and add it to map? Nah, bro, it's fine. It's fine, agent. Thank you, though. I'm not really, like, I have a lot of things going on right now. I have a lot of things I want to do in the game, so let's go to the toolbox. Matches, do they not have clothing on here? I swear they did. Let me find some police clothing. Police Roblox shirt. Jailbreak police shirt. Hope I don't get no copyright. Okay, we'll do this one. I mean, if it's not on sale, I can still use it, right? Okay, we'll insert a shirt, right? And then we'll call this police shirt. And we'll dupe it, and we'll call it criminal shirt, right? Then what we'll do is we'll go ahead and insert the template thing that I have right here. Then what we'll do is we'll insert a criminal one. I don't care if it's jailbreak or not. Like, they all look the same. Okay, no, I don't want a white and black one. Yes, you can use anything. Okay, awesome. No, that's the wrong thing. Okay, man, this doesn't even look like a prisoner outfit. It really, man, why is it like so hard to find like a criminal shirt? Like, I literally see them all the time. Break the law. Okay, whatever. Copy. My computer's like memory is like so limited right now. We'll go to shirt template. We'll go ahead and paste that in there. You'll see what they look like, and then what we'll do is we'll say this will all be inside the same if. So we'll say if team.name equal police, then we'll do, once we kill the player, right? Yeah, so we'll actually add a wait statement, just in case we don't, like, do it. Let's say, like, wait, like, 0.2. We'll say, workspace, find, not filtering, we'll say find first child. We'll say PLR. Nope. We'll do PLR.name. And then we'll say find first child shirt.value equals script.police shirt.value. Does that look good to everybody? And then I'm gonna go and copy this in, and we'll do the same thing for criminals. We'll say criminal shirt. That look good to everybody? I think my favorite criminal shirt is criminal. Okay, yeah, no. I can make you one. Alright, so and then we'll do the same for the pants. So I just want to go and see if this works. Let me enable the UI. I should have literally just shut off UI in general. I just thought I was going to work on another UI. I might even put bank robberies or whatever. This is just a knockoff. Like, I'm not publishing it because it's the exact same copy. This is just for you guys. Okay. Switch to police. Bro, if it doesn't work, I'm gonna be heck mad. No, I'm just kidding. See, like, this... Okay, this is just stupid. Hold on, let me re-enable the UI. So... Oh, it's because I have that wait statement. And I don't... Yo, Roblox is like... I swear to you, because I had Never mind. That was local. That's why. I'm not gonna lie. I think. Okay. So we'll set everything when it's time. Like I'm not even gonna like worry about it. For sure. Value. Okay. Value. We'll set it on a shirt. We'll set it on value, and then we'll do the same for the pants. So I'm just gonna go and copy this. We'll do pants. Might have to end the stream at about an hour, so I think I'm gonna end the stream after the clothing portion. Did you make touch to change team? No, I did not do touch to change team. Sorry guys, got some technical difficulties going on. Neutral spawn? Yeah, maybe turn on neutral spawn. You know, I did have a neutral spawn on. Yeah. Sorry, I just have like so many things going on inside my head right now. Yes, thank you guys so much for paying attention. You know, I make mistakes on purpose, you know, so, you know, I'm just kidding. I mean, no, I'm not just kidding, but like, you already know. And then we'll just go ahead and change this to pants, and then, oops. Okay, now we need some pants. So let's go ahead and insert some pants. We'll say pants. If I'm being really quiet, sorry guys, just let me know. Police pants. Dupe. Let's say criminal pants. Okay, so let's go and find some police pants. Sorry for any computer background noise. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go, guys, in a little bit. Duty calls. But, oh my god. Nothing's loading in the catalog. I'm just gonna pick some random pants. I'll say for police pants, we'll do pants template. Then we'll do criminal pants Roblox. Okay, we got these criminal pants going. This is a real taco moment. Thank you. Dude, honestly, bro, I'm craving tacos. Like, the taco maker in my house just left, so I'm like, literally, I'm gonna have to figure it out. Alright, I'm gonna deal with all this in the meantime, like, when I'm off and stuff, and then, because I don't want you guys to see me, like, going, because I mean, I can code all this, like, in one try, it's just, I just need the docs, but I'm doing a challenge where I don't look at the docs or anything, or look at any other previous things that I made. It's literally just going off the top of my head. So, after I test, it's not gonna work. But yes, so I'm gonna go ahead and like pick the police or something, and I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream in a little bit. Alright, so we spawn here, and our shirt is not changing. I think it's being overrid by the other thing. Let me just check it out real quick. Reshref. And what we'll do is we'll have the different. Oh. Let me see something. I just want to see something, guys. Yeah, don't look at that. But, okay. Yeah, so we'll go ahead and get that taken care of in the next stream. 11 bread. Okay, guys. The quest for tacos. Love to see it. The holy... Bro, this is too funny. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to go ahead and publish this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Really appreciate you guys. And have a great day, guys. Oh, what's up, Stefan? The holy bread.